In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make invert color in CapCut. If you've ever wanted that striking negative style look where light becomes dark and colors flip to their opposites, this is a clean, professional way to do it right inside CapCut using the Curves tool. It's quick, fully adjustable, and you can undo it at any time. First, open CapCut. You can use the desktop or mobile version. The layout looks a little different, but the controls you'll use are the same. Once CapCut is open, add your video to the timeline. If you're on desktop, drag your clip into the project and drop it on the timeline. On mobile, tap to create a new project and select your clip from your library. Make sure the clip is selected so the editing options apply to it. Next, head to Adjust. This is where we'll control the overall look of the image. Inside Adjust, click or tap on Curves. Curves is a powerful tool that maps input brightness and color values to new output values, which means you can reshape how the entire image behaves. For an inverted color effect, we'll flip the curve so that everything that used to be dark becomes light, and everything that used to be light becomes dark, along with their corresponding colors. In the Curves panel, make sure you're on the main RGB curve rather than a single color channel. Now, make the opposite edit. Take the point at the bottom left of the curve and move it straight up to the top left, and take the point at the top right and move it straight down to the bottom right. You should see the curve turn into a straight line that slopes from the top left down to the bottom right. This reverses the input and output values across the board, producing a true color inversion. If your interface shows anchors in the middle, leave them alone for a perfect flip. You only need to swap the ends. If the result looks too intense, you can nudge the endpoints slightly or add a gentle bend to the line to soften contrast. But for a classic inverted look, keep that clean diagonal. If you make a mistake, use Reset in the Curves panel and try again. Preview your clip by playing it back to make sure the entire shot looks consistent from start to finish. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Adjust, click on Curves, and flip the ends of the curve so what's down goes up and what's up goes down. Save your project when you're happy, and you've got a crisp, inverted color effect ready to use.